on this project named Oort. I want to make this video quick. This is my second attempt. I won't lie because I have to cut down on time. Tech and consensus. This is a layer 1 project. It also is multifaceted. It is AI learning, AI training, and there's a lot to this project. You know, they have their own patent, proof of honesty, or it has developed a patent POH, which is pretty much, layman's terms, it's spamming to devoid themselves of bad actors trying to corrupt the system, right? They spam, right, the bad actors, and if they can't correctly, you know, pass those verifications, it shuts down on them, and that's dope. This is the patent. I'm gonna get straight into it. No, this is the patent, so it's official. You know, it's gonna take me straight to the Google patent right here. You know, Oort Tech, clear as day. Everything is amazing about this. This project started off this year with like 9,000 nodes. Don't believe me? This guy right here, who's one of the realest guys in crypto, 5,500 nodes. The growth, you can't defy the growth. Moving forward, this is insane. This project is gonna do well, man. I'm low key excited to hold this project. Tencent Cloud. So some of these are partners, some of these are clients. They're always, you know, people always put extras on their clients. Clients partnerships, you know, it's blurred. You know, the lines are blurred. Tencent is a partner, basically being so because they have a they're one of their supernode hosts. So they host, and then that's part of the project, right? Dang, so much stuff to cover. I'm gonna make this as fast as possible. So, Oort. Wow, I'm so mad that I don't have. So basically, there's three products, three products, right here. Oort Storage, Oort Data Hub, and Oort Compute, right? This one is yet to be come out. Basically, it's AI model training. This has been in the works for around 10 months now. Since I've caught on to it for 10 months. This project hasn't done anything much in price yet, but that's like with everything in every bull market. It reminds me a lot of Tailcoin. A lot of people know of this coin. Tailcoin shot up from literally a nothing market cap. You guys know your market caps. 9 million isn't shit, Nick. So this thing went up to 2.6 billion. I think 3 billion it wicked, right? This project has the same type of unity, community, ecosystem, build, growth, infrastructure, everything, you know. It's a different narrative, same fundamentals, like literally, you know. A lot of people, big thing, I'm happy that I'm saying this early in the video, the biggest thing that, you know, throws people away from this project, they start to look at the tokenomics and they're like, oh no, not this project. But if you really pay attention, the 60% that goes towards the 60% that goes towards the node validators is they only getting paid like $1, you know, $1 a day from that. $1 to $3.50. That's the median. That's the max. Actually, that's the minimum to maximum. You know, if the token starts performing, yes, they can sell it, you know, but it's still gonna be like, what, at that rate, it's like 300. You know, you made $300 or $500 from all that time accumulated that you didn't sell on those months of accumulation. You sold all during the run, and then there's incentives for them to actually hold the token, right? Because they're earning it, right? And most people, most of the earnings, I think, really is Oort earning their own token, because they have the super nodes and they have their other hosts, other version of hosting and validating the network. I think they're the majority who is running the network. They're just trying to, you know, increase that fragmentation of storage, because everyone knows Web 2, you got, you know, their competitors, and I think that's pretty dope. Not to mention, one of their competitors is their if you really think about it, is their investors. You know, if I go here and I look, investors commit to 10 million, so they received $10 million. And this is the official post. There's even a Forbes list posting on this here. Let's even, or Microsoft. This project has so much, bro. Grant amount. Look at, I forget where it was, man. It was on Forbes something, man. I seen that. Forbes. It was on Forbes, I swear. It was one, or it was Time Magazine, actually. Or no, it was on Forbes, yeah. No, this no, this is ChatGPT. It was, I think it was Time magazine. I don't know. I can't find it, but I seen the post. So many links, so many things. Okay, so back to where we started. So Dell is a partner, I believe. No, Dell is a client, I believe. Yeah, they're a client because they unveils our innovative program for Japan with Oort loyalty program. So they're a client, right? Or it's helping them service their loyalty programming years or whatever. And then Seagate is a partner because they're hosting a supernode, and he's Tencent's a partner. They're hosting a supernode, and then they are servicing Lenovo Images, which is a big corporation. All these are pretty much the ones that I mentioned. Lenovo Image enhances corporation support with or so they're pretty much servicing the Lenovo Image clients, customers, right? They're storing their data. Moving on, they have a second pattern. I forget what the second pattern was. I'm jumping all over the place, but they have a second pattern. I think it's just deeper into the tech of. This is just all promising stuff. This might be, everyone knows only 5-10% of these projects are gonna stay around, or might be that investment you might want to hold on to. They're looking pretty promising for the price action. Um, price really doesn't. Price action follows everything else around the project, right? And once we're in a when we're in a full kicking bull market, you're gonna really see how this thing performs. So moving on, let's see. So 10% of their team supply they were allocated to the founding team. Originally it was 4 years to be released. They extended it another 2 years, so it's extended to 6 years now. And then also for the 60% that scares everybody, 65% that they're not even gonna get forever. It's like the slowest. It's like the slowest molasses release ever, right? And it's the smallest amount of molasses over the course of what. The tokenomics people really don't understand. I really need to make a video based on tokenomics. I wish my memory was working perfectly, but I remember looking and I was like, wow, this is actually really good. There's 303 million tokens right now, and I've been tracking this release. They're releasing some, burning some. Look at December 20th, released some. Look, it dropped. They burnt some. Or no, they released more. And then look, released some, and then what? They burnt some. It's just, and it's moving so slow, right? And if, like, I did the math, basically the miners are earning $2.87 per day, right? $1 to $3 on average a day. So it was all here all along. Also 3.333 per day. If the price touches $1, when the price touches 123. I've been in explosive projects a lot, so I got to start saying when instead of if, because I've gotten 33x's, I've gotten 22x's. I see how this goes. $100 a month at all-time high. So they'll start receiving that. They're not even getting that with this. I did the math, or you could do the math. It's like what, less than that. So what is the mining collateral? That's the question I have. Also, the max supply by end of year. By the end of this bull market, let's be honest. If this bull market ends, right, no one really knows the future. But at the end of this approximated bull market, by end of year 2025, Crypto G, which is the guy who introduced this coin to me, but I'm just very literal. But I did the math. It is 3 to 3.5x the size of the previous circulating supply. At the time, it was 129 million tokens. This was July 7, 2024. If it 3x's, this will be 452 million tokens circulating. So only 400. You gotta understand, there's tokens with a bigger supply than this. This is nothing. This is compared to like Goldfinch size, or like just those coins that you love so much but that hasn't performed. The coins that you kind of want to get in to see skyrocket, because there's going to be a lot of momentum when this project starts taking off. 452 million tokens circulating, right? Now let's just look at that at the end. So I have it right here. Boom. If at a 1.5 billion dollar market cap, it's a 22x from here. It's not even a joke. And Telcoin went to what? And that was like DeFi. AI is obviously gonna be the hit of the summer, right? So let's just say this goes to a three. This goes to a 2.6. Just saying this is a 39x. I don't care. I don't know what you guys are smoking, but if I put $1,000 in and I get 39K back, I don't care. I don't care. I don't. Anyways, moving forward, I don't. These are the devices, the Deimos devices, that will be earning money if you decide to be. And in the future, these things could be really like the most profitable thing. And even this cycle, who knows? Who knows? Or it could go to $5 hypothetically, And I think that even lines up with. I think that's a little bit less, from what I got. That's it's a little bit less. So it's a little bit more. 611, 39x. $5 is very potential. So at the end of the day, like, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot of potential profit from this project, even past this bull run. It's infrastructure. It's AI learning. 3 products. If I didn't mention them early, because I kind of jumped all over the place. Oort storage, data hub, and compute. Compute is AI model training, so they're teaching AI models, right? Then they got the storage, that, and then the data hub, global community-driven data collection and labeling services. These are 3 crazy niches, and they're very organized about it. They got a foundation page. The team is there. You can look at the team. I forget where the team is, but yeah, this is the team. Some of them got icons, but the main guys who are high invested. This is an early Bitcoin investor. You know what I'm saying? This is the guy who, is the CEO of Oort, and he actually is a professor. Goes on, like, they got a lot of. I need to actually do more research on this team because there's some connections here. They're getting grants from Microsoft and I forget the other one. They're doing really good. Ethereum. Conversations with Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum. Don't get no better than this. Hints by CZ. This is a hint. BNB chain. They are providing storage for BNB Greenfield, which is BNB Greenfield. BNB Greenfield. I can't. I'm so mad I can't. BNB Greenfield. But they are providing storage for BNB Greenfield, which is a sub branch of Binance. I forget what they're doing over there, but Oort is storing their information. So they have a worked out business arrangement. Here it is. Right here. Oort joins forces BNB Greenfield ecosystem. You can read this. They are providing storage. I don't have to force it. You know what it is. Anyways. Moving forward, yeah. So Oort has a lot of potential. If you don't see it, you'll see it at the end of this bull run. Let's just say that, yeah. So yeah, thank you. And yeah, this is and the Oort the I also want to say that the mining rewards will diminish. This is the slope. This is the curve. So it's not that much now. It's plotted to be more in the future, even though it goes down. The price should offset this for the miners. So there's still an incentive for miners to earn. This bull market, it's all about the investors. If you want to make money from Oort, I suggest you invest now. Simple.